Welcome to this software assurance tutorial. This will explain how to quote and order software assurance. This tutorial is divided into 5 steps and is designated for pre-sales and buyers. This scheme will present a 5-step process that will be explained during this tutorial. Step 1. Business partner does their own ACTIS product quotation tool configuration. Step 2. Business partner will use the ACTIS quotation tool to configure a service quotation in the business store. Step 3. Business partner orders the products. Step 4. A background process is activated to update the Alcatel-Lucent enterprise database. This is done through ELP license data lake to calculate all licenses needed depending on the number of users. Step 5. A pre-configured shopping cart will be available in the business store for the business partner to order the service. First step, ACTIS. This chapter will explain how to choose software assurance and export the product configuration. There is a pre-configured basic ACTIS quotation configuration in this example. This consists of 515 analog users with a basic profile and 35 IP users with an IP profile. More details about the service level can be found in Service tab, Software Support Service, and choose the Software Assurance for MLE level. Then the Export Configuration button located in a dedicated menu allows the .xml file to be exported. Save the document. This file is the same as if it was exported from file/generate interface file/xml format. The quotation will be available when the export is done. This quotation contains an article called Software Assurance for MLE Tracking to enable the business partner to track that the order will be done without SPS service. This step will describe how to connect to the business store to create a quotation. We'll see how to connect, upload an ACTIS file, and quote software assurance. An up-to-date login and password are needed to gain access to the business store. By clicking on Login, I open the main welcome page. I see my current invoices, my subscriptions, and shopping carts. Clicking on my name, I can check my role. I can access to all applications and the fleet dashboard by clicking on this icon. On the shopping cart button, I can create my first shopping cart. I click on Software Assurance and the quotation page opens. I select ACTIS file and export the XML interface file I previously exported from ACTIS. Clicking on Import, my configuration is stored. It is the configuration I did in ACTIS with 515 users of basic profile, 35 users of IP profile. I dialed the names of the shopping cart and purchase orders. I select my subscription plan and the auto renew mode. Clicking on Quote, my subscription is immediately calculated and displayed. Detailed in the quote are the articles, the start date, the end date, number of licenses, total price and net price, I can save my configuration to use it later. It appears in the first list of shopping carts I created. It is now time for the business partner to order the product through Ebuy. This Ebuy order can be done without service. Once the product order is done, the internal Alcatel-Lucent Enterprise Ebuy database for licenses and data lake database for service profile management are both synchronized. This operation is automatic and does not require action from the business partner. After ordering the product through Ebuy, the business partner can order the service through the business store. The next video will describe how to find a pre-configured shopping cart, dial end user details and order the product. If I connect to the business store once again, I can see on my welcome page that I have a new shopping cart. This has been created automatically after my product was ordered. Clicking on shopping cart name allows me to see information and details, including the configuration that contains the 515 analog profiles and 35 IP profiles. Clicking on Actions followed by Edit, I can do my ordering. My shopping cart is loaded. I find all my details. I click on Continue. The second page allows me to dial my end customer details. The name and ID are mandatory. I also can add additional information if I want. I click on Continue to complete my order. The third page confirms my configuration. However, before ordering, I must validate the terms and conditions. I can consult them clicking on the link. I can check my quote again before completing the order. I have here my two profiles. I complete the order by clicking on Order button. Congratulations, the subscription is ordered. By default, the business store opens the page dedicated to subscriptions. This one I just ordered appears. To conclude, quoting and ordering software assurance is done in 5 steps, which are: Step 1, product configuration in ACTIS quotation tool. Step 2, service quotation in business store. Step 3, product ordering in Ebuy. Step 4, a database synchronization which is unnoticeable to the user. Step 5, a service order in the business store. Thank you for following this tutorial.